Hello friends, welcome to the Scents and Perfume Hub, and today we are going to discuss about the cigar Chance of the Elegance by Remy Latour. It was introduced in 1996 in Paris, and the parent company of the perfume is Parfums Perrier. Parfums Perrier is the parent company of Lomani, Remy Latour, Crystal Saint Martin, Giorgio Valenti, and Vizari, and holds the license for fragrances created for Hadi Tehrani, Amitabh Bachchan, as well as Pinky Girls, a Japanese line. And now coming back to our perfume cigar, let's discuss the notes of this perfume. The top notes are pear, tangy lemon, bergamot, pineapple and prunes. So if you will read the top notes, you will feel like you have got Creed's Aventus, but it has got nothing to do with that. I'll once again read the notes, as initially you may not have cared about the notes. Pear, tangy lemon, bergamot, pineapple and prunes. Aren't these the same notes of the Creed Aventus? Now let's go further. The middle notes are geranium, marigold, bay leaves and sweet jasmine. And when it comes to the base notes, it comprises of patchouli, cedar, sandalwood and a fine blend of musk and tobacco. The classification of the perfume is woody and oriental. Although it's mentioned as a men perfume, but it's a unisex perfume according to me. How to wear it? Below 30 degrees temperature it will be soothing, and above that it will be irritating, because the dry down of this perfume is not so good. It has got basic tone of that of Burberry's London. Rather, Burberry's London might have come much later, but that is more fresh and of much higher quality and fresh notes. Although I find that is also a weak scent. Now let's open and review the cigar. The cigar's projection is good. Sillage is also good. It's somewhat noticeable. It's a must buy for everyday use in the winter. So that was all about the cigar. See you till we meet another fragrance review with another fragrance review. Have a nice time, friends. Friends, let's now compare Burberry's London along with cigar side by side. Burberry's London 2006. It was introduced in 2006 and it's an EDT concentration of 100 ml. It's available around $70, sometimes come back to $40, but majority of the time it remains around $60 to $70 even when available at the discounted prices. For men, or it is meant, or it may be considered as the unisex fragrance. It is a cool temperature perfume, wearable throughout the year but primarily meant for cool weather. It's an oriental spicy fragrance. The top notes are cinnamon, lavender and bergamot. Middle notes are leather and mimosa with port wine. This port wine essence is quite strong in this. Base notes are tobacco leaves, apopnex, guaiac wood and oak moss. Lavender you get very mild after an hour or so. Performance of this perfume is weak. It's a weak scent, not projecting heavily, but stays on your clothes for 4 to 6 hours. It's a personal kind of fragrance. Evening wear perfume it is. Fragrance may be rated at 8 to 10 points out of 10. At 8 points out of 10. Sillage and longevity is less than 5. but it is highly recommended because of the fragrance quality it possesses. Burberry is a big perfume house. They make excellent fragrances and beat the top perfume houses in terms of fragrances and performances of their perfumes. So let's compare it with the cigar. Why it is compared with the cigar? Because these two fragrances are actually same. They smell exactly same to the new noses, and nobody would be able to differentiate which is Burberry's London and which is cigar if you will give to compare blindly. So what's the difference? Cigar, it's a leathery and fruity fragrance with grapes, cranberry juice, with wine or vodka. And Burberry's, they carry jasmine and cinnamon different notes, that is in opening or middle notes, and after that the notes are similar: grapes, fresh and fruity, with cranberry juice, with port wine or vodka. So this was all about these two fragrances, cigar and Burberry's London. If you have budget, go for the Burberry's London because it is a smooth, soothing fragrance with high quality. And if you are short of the budget, go for the cigar. See you till we meet with the next fragrance review or some kind of comparison. Have a nice time.